Hi, this video is part of the other transformation videos. Transformation means to change. And in this one, we're going to look at translation, which means to move. Okay, let's have a look at this example. Transform the figure with a translation of 3, 1. Here's a shape. 3, 1 means the 3 or the first number is a horizontal value, so moving left and right. Being positive means we move to the right. Being negative means we're moving to the left. And the second value in blue over there is up and down. So positive means up, negative means down. First of all, we have to look at the corners, just like we did with all the other transformation. So the vertices A, B, C, let's write them out. That's 1, 1, B is 1, 4, and C is 3, 1. And after that, we can add our translation. They're both positive, so this is going to be quite easy. So we need to move the 1x by 3 to the right. So add 3 becomes 4. And we need to move the 1y value up by 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So our new a value is going to be 4, 2. So find 4, 2, whoops, over there, and label it as a dash. Now we'll do the same for b. Add 3 to the x, which is 4. Add 1 to the 4, which is 5. So we're adding these two values to that. So now our b dash is 4, 5. So 4, go up to 5, mark it, and write b dash. Lastly, c. So again, add 3 to 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you go to 6, up 2, and label it. Now that we have the 3 spots, we can draw our triangle. Double check. We're moving 3 across and 1 up. Let's have a look. So 3 across and 1 up. And that's exactly where we want it to be. So recap, write down your vertices and then add your horizontal and vertical translation. That's the object and that's the image. We always label the objects with the regular letters and the image with a dash. You can pause the video here to give this a go and unpause to check your answers. Transform the figure with a translation of -3, 2. -3 means we move to the left by 3 and +2 means we move up by 2. So let's write our vertices first. A is 4, 2, B is 4, 5, and C is 6, 2. Once we've done that, we can find our new position. So A will be 4 plus -3 is 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. So our new position is 1, 4. It's there. Label it as a dash. Then do B. 4 plus -3 is 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 1, 7 will be here. Label it as B dash. Important to label them so that you don't get confused. And lastly, C, do the same thing. Add 6 plus -3 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Again, label it with C dash. It's really important that you label so that you don't muck up anything. And double check, did we move to the left 3 and up 2? Let's have a look. So to the left 3, up 2. Fantastic. And make sure you draw the new triangle as well when you finish. One more. What about this? Describe the translation of A to B. How do we go from A to B? Well, we can see that it went up. How much did it go up? We went from, let's pick a point 3. The point 3 has gone up to 6. So it's gone up by 3. Now we can also see that it's gone to the left. How much has it gone to the left? Pick a corner. It has gone to the left by, it went from 4 to 2. So it's gone to the left by 2. So left 2, up 3. So we describe our translation as -2, 3. So -2 is the left and 3 is the up. What about this one? If we wanted to move left 3 and down -4, how would you describe this? Again, always the horizontal first, so -3 and -4 will be our translation. What about this one? Always put the horizontal first, so our translation will be -3, -7. So for translation, it's not too tricky. Remember to always put the horizontal first. Negative means this way, positive means that way, and then the vertical, positive, negative. Revise all the translations that we've done, which are rotation, reflections, and translation, and see if you can distinguish all the 3 different ways of finding the new congruent shape. That's it from me today. See you next time.